everyone, I'm Liz from Guangzhou NTG Textile Co Limited, and we will have a live show on this Friday, on March 26th, 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Then I will wait for you there, and we will introduce our natural fabrics like the linen, cotton, hand, rami wool, this kind of natural fabrics, as we have specialized in the natural fabric industry for more than 22 years, and we have the experience in doing business with many big branches, and we offer the customer service and we also maintain the harmony between human and nature. Except the fabric, we also introduce some finished garment, which is make of our own fabric. You can see it. Okay, if you're interested, I will wait for you there this Friday. Okay, see you this Friday. Thank you very much.